Yes, I know, and I understand why you clicked on this video. You're curious, you're wondering, little Timmy's wondering, I'm wondering, could Shiba reach to 50 cents by December of 2022? I'm not sure on that, but let's go over this article and we'll go to the Kaplan spreadsheet and show you what an investment will look like if it hits those numbers as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. This is a very interesting article. I know you probably don't even believe it, but just watch this entire video because I got something to show you towards the end of it. Now, while everyone is hoping, I know you hoping as well, that Shiba would reach or touch the 1 cent mark, the coin has the ability to breach 1 cent milestone and reach an all-time high of 50 cents by December of 2022. Very, very interesting, but I want to see more information about this. So they did some research and they went back, this article did the research, and there was like, well, Shiba has risen up to close to a percentage of this, which is a very high percentage, since the inception of August of 2020. Now, it had a nice monthly growth and a stellar bull run up until October 2021. But here's the thing that they were trying to say. If for Shiba to touch the 1 cent mark, I know I'm skipping through the article, it needs to grow 2,500% each month and maintain that same momentum up until December of 2022. Now they're saying up here, SHIB has already gained momentum for itself to be the next hottest crypto in the market, and reaching its milestone would be tough, but not impossible, according to this. So, to reach 50 cents, which is a high mark, and that will be unbelievable. The internet would just break down. I think probably it would just close down. It would just, I don't even see what would happen. 50 cents. Anyway, and we're not talking about 50 Cent the rapper. Now, Shiba needs to buckle up and go on a major task run by rising up to that high percentage from today's prices. And they need to have a steady growth of at least 28,655% up until December of 2022. I'm willing to wait to see what happens here. I'm going to still hold some Shiba up until December of 2022 because I'm curious myself. Now, the $1 million question, could it happen? So you see the percentage it has to be, and it has to actually have to have a monthly growth of 28,655%. It needs to rise this percentage as well. For that to happen, only time will tell. So we'll have to see what happens. It is a very, very popular and hot crypto in the market. So we'll see what happens here. So to me, I was like, what does that look like if I had 100,000 SHIB today, October 18, 2021? And I know you probably already have this already, or at least close to it, So if I have this, and the price starts to move up to another level, let's say 4 zeros and the 5, because right now it's 4 zeros and the 2, I would get a $3,000 profit. If I look at the price right now, that's going to happen in my opinion. That's going to at least happen because of the rise of Shiba. And so if you look at here, if it gets to another 0, subtract another 0 from the price, we're looking at a $26,000 profit. And that's off $3,000 today, which is pretty spectacular. And then if I keep going here, another price position, the value of $60,000, a little bit over $60,000, you're looking at a profit of $57,000. Now, little Timmy's gonna be really excited and show and tell. And now you can start paying those bills off that white kitchen table next to the ketchup, the mustard, and the honey. And so now you have this right here, the next price position. These are the price position I'm thinking it will go within the next 8 months, within that time frame. That's based off my research. So $288,000 profit if it hits to this price here. And so that's not bad. You can probably buy a house. You can probably do a lot of different things with that. or you can probably swap it, trade it, invest into something else. It's your choice. And this is off a $3,000 investment today. $3,000 to about what, $57,000 or $200,000? Potentially is pretty good. Now, from these other price positions, I do think is a lot of work that needs to happen, and mega work needs to happen to be able to get to those prices. I'm not saying they won't hit there, but I was curious. 50 cents, $53 million. Oh man, off a $3,000 investment. That's what it would look like. Now, I'm not including anything in terms of if they change the amount of tokens you have or anything like that. I'm just going by what it is right now if it hits 50 cents. Now, a lot of changes could happen by up until that point, but I'm telling you something, $53,000 or $53 million profit. Oh man, people be walking around with Lamborghinis, literally walking around. I got a Lamborghini for Monday. I got one for Tuesday. I got a yellow one for Wednesday. I bought my grandma 3 Lamborghinis. I'm just joking, entertainment purposes. So, but here's the thing, these 4 right here, that could happen. And that's something that you should look for in this whole thing, is taking some profits on the way up to the top. Don't necessarily sit on 1 cent, because a lot has to happen to 1 cent. I know this looks really nice here, over $1 million in profit, but these 2 right here, it looks like that's going to happen probably within 8 months at least. And these next 2 years has a chance to as well. So consider taking some profit if that's something that's part of your strategy. A lot of times people wait for that big number. I'm going to wait to 1 cent. But look at this. This article here is a very interesting article. It does have to hit some of these numbers, 15 months from now, and have to hit this number here. Well, actually, this number here, there could be a rise for it to rise to this percentage with a monthly growth of this. Now, it's going to grow, but consider having a strategy. Watch this channel, watch other channels that definitely help you out in terms of giving you information, but also do your own research as well, and only invest on what you're willing to lose. But this looks pretty nice in the future, but we're going to have to wait and see what happens. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Little Timmy is really excited about some of these numbers, and I was like, okay, Little Timmy, let's wait to see on his next price position, and let's go from there. So I like this. Let's wait and see. Watch this video a few times. I know you're probably thinking, we need a massive burn, or the market cap has to be this way. I understand. I'm just doing the numbers based off from that article. So don't shoot the messenger. I'll see you on the next video.